fundamentals of marksmanship typically involve standing with a feet shoulder width apart, with a dominant side foot slightly back, a slight bend at the waist, and a posture that is athletic and stable, allowing for a good control over a recoil while facing the target square. Fundamental number 2, positive grip. Gripping refers to the way a shooter holds a firearm with her hand, specifically focusing on the placement and pressure applied to the grip of the gun, which is crucial for stability and accuracy when aiming and firing a shot. A proper grip ensures control over the weapon and minimizes movement during recoil. Fundamental number 3, sight alignment. Sight alignment refers to the act properly lining up to the front sight with the rear sight on the firearm, ensuring that when you aim, the bullet will travel towards the target where your sights were focused. Essentially, it's the process of aligning the two sights to create a straight line to the target. Sight picture, fundamental number 4. Refers to the visual image you see when your firearm sight are properly aligned with your target, essentially showing where your shot will land if you feel the trigger. It's the visual confirmation that your aim is accurate and on intended target. Trigger control, fundamental number 5, refers to the skill of manipulating the trigger on the firearm to fire the shot without disturbing the sight alignment or sight picture on the target. Breathing control, fundamental number 6, refers to the practice of managing one's breath while aiming and firing a firearm, typically by holding one's breath at the moment of the shot to minimize body movement and ensure accuracy. Follow through, fundamental number 7. That's fundamental number 8. The execution of pistol and rifle exercises. Pistol and rifle exercises number 1. The standing shooting drill is the foundation of marksmanship training. This exercise focusing on developing proper stance, grip, sight alignment, and trigger control while shooting from an upright position. It is important for building accuracy, stability, and confidence in handling a pistol. Pistol and rifle exercise number 2. Shooting from kneeling position is a critical skill used in real-world situation where shooters may need to take cover or stabilize their aim. Pistol exercise number 2 focuses on accuracy, stability, and proper positioning while shooting from a lower stance. Pistol and rifle exercise number 3. Shooting from a prone position offers maximum stability and accuracy. This position is commonly used in tactical, military, and defensive situations where shooters need to maintain a low profile while engaging a target. Pistol exercise number 3 focuses on shooting effectively from the ground while maintaining proper control.
Jingle. Jingle.
And now, the execution of the static turns.
Tayo, static na sila. Left turn. Right turn. Gana, snappy sila tananan. Ayay, masalas yun.
The static turn shooting drill trains shooters to quickly and accurately engage targets from different directions while maintaining control and stability. This exercise focuses on proper pivoting techniques, ensuring that the shooter efficiently turns 90 or 180 degrees without losing balance or compromising muscle discipline. By practicing smooth transitions, maintaining sight alignment, and executing control shots, this drill enhances situational awareness, reaction speed, and accuracy. It is an essential skill for law enforcement, self-defense, and tactical shooting, preparing shooters to respond effectively to threats from various angles. The execution of catwalk with transition on firearm.